Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Plainfield, local and long distance movers near me. It's very natural to worry about how to move your belongings over long distances. A long distance move is very tasking, and there are a lot of factors to consider. The success of moving your belongings to your new residence affects how well you settle in. When you hire 3 movers, you have a high assurance of moving your items to your new home quickly. Our movers are well trained, cautious, and organized. Our movers carefully sort your items and separate fragile and light items from heavy ones. Your belongings are then loaded into our trucks, and our moving trucks are of high quality standards. They are spacious and well balanced, and your items are safe and secure in them. Our insurance policy also covers your items. We have a license to move your home items over long distances. Our drivers obey every highway rule and regulation, and they are also fast to get to your new residence at the right time. If you're moving less than 100 miles from your current location, we also provide the best local moves. It's very tough to get a moving company that provides prompt service in Plainfield. 3 Movers has a goal that provides locals with a fast and satisfactory move. Our customer service is top notch, which is why locals are quick to recommend us. We also have a recommended hourly rate of $30 to $40 per hour, so that way our clients have the best services at budget friendly prices. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Plainfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, residential moving, furniture moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.